What will today bring? Keeping it alive with new ones. Any new one. Any Darth Maul, because we don't have any of him. That's what I think. How about you? Which one are you hoping for?
Darth Maul.
Any Darth Maul?
Yeah, doesn't matter which one. Darth Maul.
Yeah, we just want to have one of him. I mean, we will. Alrighty, here we go. No dupe. We've got 3 so far. No dupes yet. Let's keep that trend going. Give us a Darth Maul. Man, the music makes me want to watch the movies. Oh, okay. So it's not a Darth Maul, but it is a unique. So another Obi-Wan. Look at him. Looks like he's doing the people's eyebrow, right? Looks like The Rock. That's a young one. So here we go. Let's do that. And there we go.
Oh, come on. Just a Darth Maul.
Whoa. 24. Good cereal, too. Pretty cool. All right. Well, awesome. Awesome. So that's it. We've opened 4, and all 4 have been unique to us so far. We've got some good luck going. No Darth Mauls, but no dupes. So it's been good. Cool. See you guys tomorrow.